Today we're going to do one of the new initiatives that Fairfax County has started. It's called Ask Fairfax. Today we're going to be talking about winter preparedness. The three most important things, and I will tell you, is the same thing we do all the time, is the all hazards approach to staying prepared. And the big thing to remember is always stay informed, make a kit, and communications. Staying informed, there's a variety of ways to take care of that. With Fairfax County, you'll notice on the website there's many websites within Fairfax County that will allow you to get information. We have our Community Emergency Alert Network, CEAN system. It's free to the public. We encourage everyone to go in and sign up for it. You can have your Blackberries, your pagers, your cell phones, your email addresses, all part of that. And as Fairfax County goes through the winter months, we have significant weather advisors from the Weather Service. All that information will be pushed out through those methods, so you'll have up-to-date information. One final thing I want to bring up is carbon monoxide poisoning. You've got to be very careful on when it gets cold if you have a gas stove or electric stove, don't open it, don't leave it running. That's not the way to heat your house. If you have kerosene heaters and things like that, make sure they're properly ventilated. If you have a generator, they need to be outside, not inside. And make sure you have adequate carbon monoxide detectors within your house. I think that's very important. If you have them, make sure you change the batteries, at least once a year.